Hello everyone. Welcome to watch our doors and windows installation promotion series. Today we're going to show you the whole process of 5-star installing for Phonpa doors and windows and how we're committed to creating a better life for our consumers. We understand that doors and windows are not only a protective barrier for your home, but also an important reflection of your quality of life. Therefore, Phonpa strictly controls every detail during the installation process to ensure that every door and window is a perfect fit for your home. Next, let's go through the 15 processes of Phonpa's 5-star installation. First, there will be a detailed communication with you by our professional team, a delivery appointment, and then delivery to your home. Safety regulation standards are the prerequisite and foundation of all work. Prior to installation, our installation team will carry out site protection, goods inventory, and product verification in accordance with standard procedures. After safety self-inspection of the site, our technicians will perform the installation, ensuring precision every step of the way. Our technicians are highly trained during the installation process. We will clean the glass and use high-quality tools and materials for installation to ensure the durability and safety of the doors and windows. After the installation is completed, we conduct a thorough quality self-check to ensure that the function and appearance of doors and windows are perfect. We also debug the opening and closing, sealing, and other functions of the doors and windows to ensure that they are waterproof, windproof, and smooth to use. And we will also invite customers for experience testing and provide clear explanations on the use and maintenance of doors and windows. You do not have to worry about hygiene. We will carry out on-site cleanup to ensure a clean environment and take pictures to ensure that you are satisfied with the installation results. Our installation always adheres to high standards, high requirements, and strict behavioral goals. We put our heart into it, and our customers feel at ease. In order to continuously improve our services and products, we value every customer's feedback. At the end, we will invite you to fill out a satisfaction form and also make a customer return visit. Phonpa is committed to providing a high-quality doors and windows installation service. Our customer service team is always available to answer and handle any questions you may have. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in our door and window products and installation services, please visit our website or contact us. We look forward to providing you with the highest quality service.